You can try.
Teacher, if the teacher could answer.
I think the teacher probably can try. I think.
You try. Does anybody have a question that you want to ask the teacher? No, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, ask a question to the teacher. Yeah.
How do I?
I think you say in English. They will say you ask a question. If you want, go ahead and ask, and they will try. Let the teacher translate it, and somebody will answer. Yeah.
Hi. How much rainfall do you get per year?
Yeah. How much rain you get a year? That's the question. Can anybody answer? Iqbal, can you translate it to them?
Yes, sir. 25 millimeters.
How much?
In average, 25 millimeters.
25 millimeters. Average per year. I think the number is for you is 60, somewhere in the country differs. It's 40 to 120 inches of water per year. A lot of rain. 140 maybe in some places. Yeah. Let's see.
What is your favorite thing to eat?
Got it? What is the favorite thing to eat? Who is going to answer? Yes.
I like eat local pizzas.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank
Do you
you.
have any questions for us?
Do you have any question for them? Anything extempore you want to ask? Anyone? Want to ask any question? Anybody?
How many students in your school?
How many students in your school? 14.
In our school, we have 3 grades. There are a total of 1,500 students in our school.
Got it? Any question? Any other question? Any other question? Anybody want to ask?
How many students are in your school?
She asked.
I didn't understand.
Fun? Did you hear?
No, how many?
How many students in your school? Somebody answer.
400.
100.
Question for us?
Any other question for them? Any question?
Do you have any students outside America?
Oh, I think, yeah, she's asking students from abroad, outside America.
Oh, go ahead.
Go ahead.
And do you know what? We have lots of kids, right? From outside America.
We have many kids that come from outside of America to learn here at our school.
Belgium, Switzerland.
They live here, though. They come from outside, but they live in this place.
Yeah.
Their parents live here. Good question. Anybody? Yeah, want to ask? Yeah. Go ahead, Tuti.
What kind of foods do you like most?
Don't worry. What kind of food do you like? Come on down. Have Ron. Somebody want last? Nice and loud.
So in America, we eat lots of different foods. Mostly, we have foods coming from different countries, but a few foods from America are like hamburgers and hot dogs, and
But that's okay. You like it.
and pizza.
They do, yeah, ask them.
Do you guys eat pizza or any of those foods?
Sorry, we didn't understand.
They didn't understand. You didn't understand because those foods you have not seen. They live in village. None of the items you said they have ever seen. Yeah. Good, but good question, you know. Anything? Any other question interesting you? Yeah.
How far your home from your school?
Say it again.
Can you repeat that, please?
How far your home alone from your school?
Yeah. Well, you got it just said. Anybody?
By car, we went for about 5 minutes, but some students went car for like 10 to 15 minutes. And that's traveling by car.
What is your favorite sport?
Favorite sport. Say it again.
What is your favorite sport?
Sport.
Wait, my favorite sport?
What is the main of occasion for your country?
My two favorite sports to play is hockey and lacrosse. Ice hockey.
Yeah. It's also not known to them, ice hockey. They may know field hockey, I've heard about it, but ice hockey, no. I agree. Yeah.
Ice hockey is pretty much just like field hockey, but you play on ice and you use skates or shoes with blades on the bottom of them.
What is the main of profession in your country?
Repeat it. Repeat, yeah. Oh, I think something. Good idea. Yeah.
What is the main profession of your country?
Main profession, what people do. Yeah.
People in our country work in almost every job. A very small portion of our country still works as farmers. Most people live in cities and towns and work in banking, healthcare, or other high-paying professions.
Thank you.
Interesting. Good. Extempore questions are good. Yeah, go ahead.
What do your parents do for work?
Most of our parents are farmers, fishermen, jail laborer.
Most of our parents is farmer, fishermen, they labor.
You got it?
Thank you. Thank you.
Good question. You know. Big difference. Yeah. Anybody else interesting? Anyone wants to ask any question? Yeah, go ahead.
What is your favorite subject to study in school?
My favorite subject is English. And yours?
And yours?
Yours.
Oh, my favorite subject is math.
We are also math.
Okay. Any question? Any other question?
What is your favorite part in your school? In your school?
I did not get it. Say it again.
What is your favorite part in your school?
Favorite fun in your school. Staying in school. Yeah. Fun activity.
Skyping you.
Yeah. So this event is their fun activity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One fun activity that we do is Skyping with other countries like we're doing right now. Thank you. How many people do you usually have in a family, and do you have a lot of siblings?
Good question.
Sorry.
Oh.
Please.
I didn't get that question. Repeat.
How many people do you usually have in your family? Do you have a lot of siblings?
Brother and sister.
Brother
and sister.
Brothers and sisters.
Yeah.
What is five?
So,
One sister.
I have one brother and one sister.
So she is 5'2". Good question.
How many books do you have?
How many textbooks in a class?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, she's 7 student and you are 8. So she's asking how many subjects you have in your class 8.
Why don't you listen slowly?
We have many subjects in our school. We have English, language arts, math, science, history, foreign language, and cycle, which is a class where you learn something that you could use outside of school.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do you have Asian students in your class now?
You are asking any Asian origin student sitting here? Yeah, I think.
Who is the
Right now, there are 12 people in this classroom, but usually there are about 20.
20%.
20 people.
20 people in each class.
Is class.
I have another question. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is red. And yours?
Blue.
Pearl. Yeah.
My favorite color is blue.
She's 7 grade.
So you're 7?
She's 7. Here is a mix. Class 9, I think class 6 to 9. They have English club. So these come from the English club.
How many grades are in your school? We have grades 6 through 8 in our school. The students in our school are ages 11 through 14.
Our school infant to 10 grade.
First, what did you say? Repeat. আবার বলো.
Infant to 10.
Oh, 3rd to 6th.
Yeah. I think the answer is not right. The school has from preschool to class 10.
Okay.
Class 10. And age is probably, about you 13 to 14 years old. Students. Yes.
Do you have a lot of tests or quizzes after learning about a specific subject?
Yes. Yes, we have.
Are they hard?
Sorry.
Yeah, go ahead, repeat.
Are they hard? Difficult?
No. No.
That's an spontaneous answer.
I'm going to ask you when it's standardized testing.
Yeah. Okay, yeah. Yeah. You have to explain. You ask the question, you have to explain.
In our school, we take tests that our country creates and gives to every student in our state. It's called standardized testing. Do you have such program in your school?
Explain again.
Say it again. Say it again.
So we just say, do you have
Because
a
I think she said it right. Go slow. Yeah.
In our school, the government creates tests to give to all the students. Does your government create tests like that?
Now, let's try.
Provide textbook, scholarship.
Jyoti wanted to say something. Jyoti बोलते रहता है.
Government has taken many steps in our school. Like cycle center.
Hello. You did not. I think
ASC, SSC, these all are standard.
countrywide exam. That's what they are asking. Countrywide, same exam. You have in 7, you have in 8, you have in class 10. 3.
Oh,
Our school is the top of the union.
Our school is the top of the union.
We hope
But they are not getting this question.
Do you have any standard exams set by the government? JSC, PSC, SSC. These are the 3 standard tests that you are, appearing at, sitting for, right? At grade 5, at grade 8, and at grade 10. Right?
Yes, sir.
They have every year. I think you will sit for a standard test every year.
And that is the direction they are also moving. Now, in each year, they are also having tests set by the board. We call it board.
And you guys used to have this.
That's what we have so far, but the government is trying to incorporate everything.
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna have to call it, say bye. Anybody want to say? I don't know. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you.
Bye.
Oh. Dance up there. Want to do the hard back or something? Peace sign.
They are actually very different.